Hello guys, welcome to Money Talk with Alex, where we demonstrate the most straightforward way of making money online. Today I have a website I want to show you where you can get Udemy courses for free. Before we get started, please smash the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, and don't forget to leave a comment down below. Thank you. The name of the website will be in the description, and definitely it will pop up on your screen. And the name of the website we'll be checking today is called udemyfreecourses.org. Please, dear viewers, if you find value in this video, please turn on the notification bell, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and don't forget to like my video. So I'm going to leave a description down below. I did a course on Udemy, a free course on Udemy last week. So there's another site where you can get free courses on Udemy. So even though you are a dropout, you don't have any money to go for certification, you can take the advantage here by availing yourself to this great opportunity of free courses on udemyfreecourses.org. Just come to this place. This is how the interface looks like. You can see, look at it here. Categories, you can click on categories. You see all development, business, IT and software, office, productivity, personal development, design, marketing, lifestyle, photography, health and fitness, teacher training, music, academics, language and test prep. That is all to that. It says courses 100% free Udemy. It says search thousands of free online courses. So that is that. If you want to search for anything, you can use this search bar here. Let's scroll further down. This is it. It says for development, we have Java tutorial for complete beginners, introduction to Python programming, web design for web developer, and C++ and all of that. For design, we have professional logo design in Adobe Illustrator, Photoshop fundamentals, AutoCAD 2D and 3D practice drawing, how to design prototype in Adobe XD, and all of that. For marketing, SEO tutorial for beginner, SEO training course by Moz, copywriting, quick start, and all of that. This is that as to Udemy free courses on this site. For development, you can see it here. Just take a look. These are all the skills or the topic under all development, web development, mobile development, programming language, game development, databases, e-commerce, and all of that. For business, check it out. Finance, entrepreneur, communication management, human resources, media industry, to name but just a few. For IT, we have all IT software, IT certification, network security, hardware, operating system, and other. And for office productivity, look at it. Google, SAP, Intuit, Oracle, other Salesforce, and that. For personal development, we have stress management, self-esteem, influence, anything you just want to go. So just click on it and it will open right into it. For design, interior design, 3D animation thinking, design thinking, game design, user experience, and all of that. For marketing, look at it. Marketing fundamentals, branding, affiliate marketing, analytics of automation, and all of that. We have lifestyle, art and craft, food and beverages, beauty and makeup, travel and gaming, home improvement, pet care and training, and that. For photography, travel photography, wedding photography, wildlife, and all of that. For health fitness, you can see it. Fitness, general health, sport, nutrition, yoga, mental health, dieting, and all. For teachers training, if you want to choose a career in teaching, or instructional design, educational development, teaching tools, and all of that. For music, if you want to learn how to play instrument, we have instrument there, production, music fundamentals, vocal music techniques, and all of that. For academics, for those of you aspiring to be a lecturer, prof, and all of that, this is an opportunity for you. Social science, maths, science, humanity. For language, we have a whole lot of language you can learn from. If you want to learn Italian, Hebrew, Arabic, Latin, Chinese, Portuguese, Japanese, German, and all of that. And to cap it all for today on this video, we have test prep. This is a place where you come to test your ability over what you've learned in the past few weeks, months, or days that you have been on this site. So look at it: grad entry exam, international high school, college entry exam, test taking skills, and all of that. This is it, udemyfreecourses.org 2022. So that is that concerning this. Please, I will want you to like my YouTube video. Please turn on the notification bell and comment down below to give you other opportunities as it comes. And please don't forget that I made a video last week about another Udemy site where you can get free courses. Thank you for watching my video. Do have a wonderful time.